This sixth class. Here we are going to start with what do various nutrients do for our body. Carbohydrate mainly provide energy to our body. Carbohydrate mainly provides energy to our body, and fats also give us energy, and we are getting energy from fats also. But fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrate, and these fats, they contain much more energy than the carbohydrates. Now, food containing fats and carbohydrates are also called energy giving foods. Means which are energy giving foods? Then you can say fats and fats and carbohydrate fats and carbohydrate food containing gives much more energy, and these are said to be energy giving foods. Then next, proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Here again one question is there. What is the use of protein in the body? For growth and repair. For growth and repair of our body. Then food proteins are often called bodybuilding foods, and food proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Then vitamins help in protecting our body against disease. Now what is the work of vitamin? It helps in protecting our body against disease. You have to write one by one. What is the use of carbohydrate and fats? Then we can say these are the energy giving foods. Then proteins, these are said to be bodybuilding foods. Now vitamins, these are said to these help in protecting our body against disease. Then vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. And these vitamins help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Now vitamins are of different kinds, and they are known by the different names. Vitamins are a different kind and they are known by different names. Some of these are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. It means different type of vitamin are there. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. There is also a group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. One more group of vitamins there, that is vitamin B complex. Now, our body needs all type of vitamins, and there is a requirement of all types of vitamin in our body. Our body needs all types of vitamin in different requirements. See here, small there is a requirement of vitamins in very small quantity to our body. Now see what is the work of different vitamins. You can make a table and you can write about the vitamins. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. What is the work of vitamin? It keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Then vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases, and vitamin C helps to fight against many diseases. Then vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and health. For calcium for bones and teeth. Then foods that are rich in different vitamins, you can see in these pictures. I can show you pictures. In that you can see different vitamins which are rich in different foods which are rich in vitamin. Now you can see the picture here. Some sources of vitamin A. Some sources of vitamin A. You have to make one table, and you have to write the sources also, and what are the disease caused by lacking this vitamin. Now see, first of all, papaya. It is a rich source of vitamin A. Carrot, mango, fish oil and milk. These all are rich source of vitamin A. Now next, second one, you can see some sources of vitamin B. some sources of vitamin B from rice, that are grains, liver, then wheat. These are rich source of vitamin B. Now, some sources of vitamin C. Some sources of vitamin C, you can see a tomato, then amla, lemon, green chili, guava, and orange. Again, tomato, amla, lemon, green chili, guava, and orange. These all are some of the sources of vitamin C. Now, next, sources of vitamin D: fish, egg, liver, butter, and milk. These are rich sources of vitamin D. You have to write, make a table, and you have to write all this in your copy. Now, minerals. Next is minerals. After vitamins, we are having minerals. Minerals are needed by our body in Minerals are needed by our body in small amounts. By our body in small amount. Very small quantity of minerals are needed in our body. Each one is essential for proper growth of our body. Each mineral is necessary for proper growth of our body and to maintain good health. To maintain our good health. Some sources of different minerals you can see in picture 2.T, 2.10, 2.10 you can see here. These are the sources. Some sources of iodine we are getting from ginger.